Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials so joining is fast and reliable. Open the Zoom app or go to the web client and sign in if required. This saves time. Make sure your microphone and camera permissions are enabled because Zoom needs them to connect audio and video. Once done, copy the meeting link, ID, and passcode into your clipboard. Do this now so you aren't fumbling during the entry process. Quick readiness prevents delays and audio confusion later. You now join the meeting using either the link or the ID. If you click the link, your browser or app launches directly. If you paste the meeting ID into Join Meeting, type your display name first so hosts see who you are. Then enter the passcode when prompted or wait for host approval from the waiting room. Make sure to select computer audio or phone call and test your microphone. This ensures others hear you when the meeting starts, which avoids awkward interruptions. You finish joining by adjusting settings for participation, and you handle the common issues. Mute yourself on entry to avoid background noise and enable your camera only when you're ready to present. That keeps the start professional. Use chat and reactions to interact without interrupting the speaker. If audio or camera fails, leave and rejoin, switch the audio device, or check app permissions. These steps solve most problems. If nothing works, restart the app and try again, because a fresh start often clears glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.